Hi, this is Hector for H2O in Covina, California. I'm here with my friend Eric, coming from
Fresno, California.
That's great. So, how's everything?
Oh, it looks amazing. I mean, perfectly set up the way I want it. You know, I'm ready to go to work.
Yes.
You know, absolutely.
You happy with this?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
You know, highly recommend you guys. H2O here in Covina, California. I went with the top of the line stuff. All the Cox reels, retractable. I went with the door panels with the bottle holders from Max Shine. I got the Predator 3500. Pulls right out. Also went with the Kranzel. Electric pressure washer, quiet, perfect.
Look at this. Electric and air. That's the new retractable.
Double package, boy.
Yes.
Double package. Nice.
Got the back end, the 50-foot hose for the vacuum. Over here is also the brush holder, also from Max Shine. The third holster for the bottles. And then also inside, got the Mighty water extractor. Also went with the compressor. The rigid. I also got the DI tank, you know, fresh water, clean. But yeah, super excited. Also put all my materials, all my products from you guys, you know, inside. I'm ready to go to work.
Wow, that's great. Thank you so much, Eric. Thank
Appreciate
you for
you guys,
sharing
everything.
to H2O. Hey, H2O, Covina, California.
Boy Blue Mobile Detail, over and out.
When did you first start detailing?
Been detailing probably about 6 months ago. And it's basically the market for it, you know. Saw you guys on Instagram. Knew I had to go with you guys to set my setup up.
Nice.
You know, like I said, it's just perfect for what I'm doing. You know.
And then have you always done mobile detailing, or have you done shop detailing?
It's mostly shop detailing. You know,
Shop detailing.
doing the interior, exterior. But it's been a high demand to actually go out and actually physically go to people's homes, businesses, and convenient for them to wash it while they're working.
Nice.
You know, so it's ready to go.
And why was it the decision to get this Ford Transit rather than any other vehicle out there?
More efficient, great on gas. You know, I feel this is the vehicle that's going to get me from point A to point B and expand my business as well.
And for any aspiring new detailer out there, what is one advice you could give them?
Go to H2O in Covina, California. Get their setup going. It's a game changer.
Thank you, Eric. That's great. Thank you, H2O.